Thank you so
Help
much.
Help us understand more about Proximi.
Yeah, Proximi, it's actually a software that is used to aid in operations in theater. And we were lucky to be among the pioneers that were used to pilot this project.
Wow.
And now we've signed another contract where now we'll be able to engage further with the providers. And we are really grateful that we were chosen to be part of the pioneers. And it, like I said earlier, it will help in audit where everything is happening. In case something goes wrong, you are able to play back and see what exactly happened. Then you can do root cause analysis and ensure that it doesn't recur again. Yeah.
Bring solutions on the table.
Absolutely.
Mind telling us about telemedicine?
Yes.
Telemedicine?
Yes, telemedicine, again, it's related to leveraging on technology, and it's well spelled out in our current strategic plan and also Vision 2050, where we'll ensure that whatever we do is in sync with the latest technology, be it machines, be it the way of doing things. Like now we have AI. Like currently we have an HMIS that enables us to run the operations of the hospital. We discussed with the vendor and we said we want it integrated with AI so that it makes work easier.
Absolutely.
When doctors are typing notes, it's not difficult. It picks, it's got dictionaries inside there. And yeah, so we try to make sure we are up to standard in terms of technology, because like now you can't ignore AI.
Absolutely.
You ignore at your own peril. So we try to really ensure we are up there in terms of technology.
Okay, thank you so much. I can see so many trophies. Actually, most of them cannot fit in this desk. Tell us more about the trophies, acknowledgement, awards. I can see Jamhuri Joel CEO Challenge in the year 2025. Hiyo ilitoka wapi? A very nice trophy pale. Hiyo ni KICC.
Thank you Charity. Hiyo ni a marathon. Yes, Stanchart, of course.
In 2025?
Yeah.